welcome to Zillion Productions, and we're reporting about call center agents.
Basically, a call center is the person at the other end of the phone when you call an airline, cable company, or telephone banking operation. Sometimes a call center is just one or two people sitting beside a phone answering customer calls. Often, it's a very large room with lots and lots of people neatly organized into rows, sitting beside their phones answering customer calls. To the customer, the call center is the voice of the company. To the company, the call center is the many things: cost center, profit center, key source of revenue, key source of marketing research, source of marketing paralysis. It varies from company to company with the strategic alignment and capability of each one's call center.
Interviews from different students of CSB. Ayan, hi guys. Interviewin ko na kayo. Sagutin niyo lang yung super easy na question ko. Ano, after ng college, saan na kayo, ano na work niyo? Work? Work. Yun nakikita naman ako, diba? I'm not really sure about that. Upo na ako. Ikaw? Wait lang. Naisip niyo ba na maging call center after ng college or kahit ngayong college? Why? Kasi bakit tinitake ko pa yung CDA call center lang? Ikaw din ba?
Same answer. Same answer.
Same answer. Ano ba? Ano ba tingin niyo sa mga call center? Um, English na hindi nakapag-mamaya ng college, panatanggap ka as long as kaya nilang mag-English.
Same answer.
Lagi na lang yun. Sana siya nalang in-interview ko. Ayan. Thank you. Abo. Ayan. Interviewin ka siya. Si Harvey. Meet Harvey. Say hi. Grabe Ayan. Ano ba yung interview? Ayan. Sagutin mo yung question ko. Interview nga eh. Yun nga. Lakasan. Sige, lakasan natin. After ng college, ano nang work mo?
Hindi ko sure. I might go back to school.
Masyado nga. Why?
Gusto mag-aral eh.
O, naisip mo ba na maging call center agent?
Do you know?
Why? Ayaw mo.
Not being a, kasi optimistic ako. Parang, kung ano yung tinapos ko, gusto niya yun ako. Ayoko yung related lang siya.
Ano sa tingin, ano para sa'yo yung call center agent?
Para siya sa mga, work siya para dun sa mga nag-specialize na mga, parang communication skills, mga ganun. Hindi siya yung parang pagsasak exam.
Di ba communication skills din?
Pero kasi iba yung communication skills natin. Doon sa mga nag-major ng ibang communication skills.
Okay. Salamat. Hi guys! Busy kayo ah. Hindi naman masyado. ano, may tanong ako sa inyo guys. Sige na, sa tingin nyo, ano na yung work niya after ng college?
Ako,
Sige, ikaw muna.
hindi mo na ako magtatrabaho.
Bakit?
Lalakbayin ko ang buong mundo.
Wow ha, ikaw na. Ikaw naman Maylin.
Siguro mag-aaral
Aral?
ulit.
Wow. Tingin nyo, hindi ba sumagi sa isip nyo yung mag call center agent?
Ayos lang sa akin. Try na.
Bakit? Bakit ayaw ka?
Kasi, hindi, ayos lang. Kung wala naman talagang opportunity.
Okay lang.
Kasi, mataas naman ang bayad sa call center kasi may pinsan ako sa call center nila.
Oh. Ikaw, Maylin?
Hindi ko talaga naisip na mag-call center.
Why?
Kasi parang masyadong mahirap yung trabaho nila, tapos yung pang gabi.
Sabagay, oo
schedule,
nga.
diba?
Oo. Eh, gusto mo pa naman mag-aral, di ba? Mag-aral ulit. Ano pa ba? Ano tingin niyo sa call center agent?
Okay na sila. Sa tingin ko, maganda din yung trabaho nila, malaking sweldo, tapos nabubuhay naman sila dahil dun sa trabaho.
How about you, Kat?
For sure, magaling sila sa ano nila, speech skills. Kasi, importante yun. Although graveyard yung shift nila, ayos lang. Wala ko naman kinikita nila. Tsaka, yun na yun.
Okay.
Wala akong masabi.
Thank you, guys. Interview from a call center agent. Mag-interview po ako ngayon ng isang call center agent. So here, ito na po siya. Hi po. Magpapakilala po muna ako. I'm Grizel Suzon, studying diplomatic affairs in in and you are
Yeah, my name is Lynn. Actually, it's Cynthia Lynn Hara. But you can call me Lynn.
Yes. Ate Lynn.
Okay.
Yes po. Ayun. So, first of all, ang question ko is, bakit po kayo nag-call center agent?
Well, technically, I don't want to work in a call center area since it's not related to my course since I'm a graduate of BS Statistics.
Statistics?
Yes, I am. But right after graduation, I have worked with Alma Computer College, and there's a lot of things that I need to consider when it comes to education or teaching. So I've decided to work as a call center agent because I wanted also to be a computer engineering before. So since I have like a background in technical, I tried to apply here in Spain. Accept here in Central Services as a technical support. Yeah, so it's some kind of related to what I wanted to do since I wanted to be a technical computer engineering before. That's what we did.
Okay. So, gaano katagal na po kayo sa call center?
Running for 2 years. This coming September 27, I'll be like 2 years here.
2 years. Wow, that's so long. And, paano yun? Mataas ba po talaga yung, sabi nila po kasi diba mataas yung sweldo pagka call center agent. So, ganun din ba po sa inyo?
Basically, if you're going to compare yung sweldo mo dun sa talagang Pilipinas na government, like, for example, government agencies. So, may difference. We can say it's like 10% difference doon sa natural na sweldo ng Pilipinas. Kasi, what we are gaining here is like parang converted na from dollar to peso. But of course, meron pa rin siyang mga sinusunod na processes, meron pa rin sinusunod ano tawag doon, terms dun sa payment. So, may mga night differential yan. Yun. What we call is, well, may tawag kami sa allowance. Wherein sa government, wala talaga.
So, saan po yan sa benefits nyo?
Yeah, of course. And then medical, mas malaki yung namin when it comes to medical, like yung sa mga health insurance.
Yes. Ano ba pong benefits nyo?
kailangan mo trabaho, kailangan mo ganito,
Kailangan
you
mo
have to be
basta.
happy for what you're doing.
So, ano pa bang pwede? Problems po.
What do you mean problem?
Problems na na-encounter nyo sa call center.
Sa job na ba ito? Yung sa problems, shifting ng schedule. Like for example, on the 12 midnight shift, and then the next shift will be in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. So it's like, napakalaki ng gap para makabawi yung time, yung body clock mo. So yun yung malaking nakaka-affect sa akin kasi saka halos lahat ng mga sa kasi ano siya, kapag hindi ka sanay na gusto ng gano'n, yung palit-palit lang ng oras, nahihirapan ka talaga. Yeah. But anything na mahirap, ano ba, wala naman siguro. Kasi very comfortable naman siya sa office since may mga lounge na lalo pwede kang magpahinga whenever you want. At least yung situation mo pagdating sa restaurants, okay naman.
Kung pwede kong itanong, ano pong game mo pinagtatrabaho mo?
Street global services.
Ay, yung nandoon. Okay. Stream. Ayun. Message ko. Ano pong message mo na about call center?
Okay. First of all, dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, hindi na
Sige po, okay lang po yan.
center staff, it's a friendly environment, I would say. Wanted to work with it. If the, if the job that you're looking for is on that call center, you will be happy. But if you're looking for a kind of job na wala sa call center, you'll not be happy. So for as long as nandoon yung nagustuhan mo na mag-work, yung passion mo sa work, the kind of work that you're looking for, you'll be happy. Call center is not a dull environment. It's how you deal with that business.
Thank you po.
You're welcome.
Zillion Productions conclusion presents